How do you create a great resume and stand out with very little experience or no experience at all? Well, introducing How to Find a Job Without Experience Stride Career Prep Series. I'm Madeline Mann. I am an award-winning career strategist and human resources leader, and I will answer all of that and more in this resume and portfolio session. Now, in this workshop, you'll learn how and when to make a resume, how to write a great one, as well as common pitfalls to avoid. Okay, these happen all the time. I'm going to make sure you don't fall into these pitfalls, and as well as how to customize your resume based on the opportunity. That's hugely important. And you also will learn how to build a portfolio. Now, you might think, I don't have anything to put in a portfolio. I'm going to change your mind here. This will really help you to stand out. And so really having an excellent resume is the key that unlocks the rest of the interview process. And so it's incredibly important that we do this part right. And I will give you the exact steps to ensure it is your best foot forward